lokho akusikona okweshumi kwakhe. Kuthiwa, and Abraham said to the king of Sodom, I have lifted up my hands unto the Lord, the Most High, El Elyon, the possessor of heaven and earth, that I will not take, angizukuthatha lutho, even nomchibi weyicathulo, that I will not take anything which is yours. Right? Lest you should say, I have made Abraham rich. So it's clear, ukuthi Abraham, lokho ayekuthathile, kwangekona kwakhe. Wayethathe the 10th of all from the spoils, wayesekuthathe kubuyisela emuva enkosini yaseSodoma. Right? So that was from the spoils of war, and nakhona ukukhipha kweshumi ngoba sehlanganele bani nompriest, hayi nomfundisi. This is not a pastor of the church or a so-called apostle. No, it is the priest of the Most High, that is El Elyon. Yeah, right? Lokho kubalekile hayi ukuthi umfundisi, because abaningi bazofuna no okweshumi kwami ngiyisa kumpriest wami. No, umfundisi wakhe akuyena umpriest. Right? Because uma ngesingayibuka ngendlela yesivumelwano esisha, kwisivumelwano esisha khona lento ekuthiwa is the priesthood of all saints. What do we mean by priesthood of all saints? This is to say, wonke umuntu okholwayo kuKristu sewenziwe waba upriest bobukhosi. Akekho umuntu ekuthiwa umpriest omele abanye. Kukhona umlamleli munye. There is only one mediator. And all of us sine access ngaye. So you can't use this verse to refer to your pastor as a priest. But here, kukhulunywa literally about a priest. Right? The Kohen, priest lana, of which Abraham as a chief wanikela okweshumi kwakho konke from the spoils of war.